thing you got to do is remove the corner turn signal lamp. All this takes is a few screws, 3 of them to be exact, and all you're going to need is a Torx 15 bit. Once you get the screws out, just pull back on the lamp, twist to the left to remove the bulb. You're also going to have to remove the grill. There are a few Phillips head screws holding the grill in place, 2 on each end of the grill, and I believe 4 more towards the center. On each side of the emblem there are 2 screws. Once you get all 8 Phillips screws off, you can go ahead and just pull the grill out. Once you have the grill out of your way, you can remove the 4 10mm bolts holding the headlamp assembly in place. There will be 2 bolts on each side of the lamp. Once loose, just pull the headlamp assembly forward and unplug or twist off each bulb. In this case, I had to route the turn signal light bulb through the headlamp assembly. This would be a good opportunity to replace any bulbs if needed to. Very simple, twist on, twist off. For installation, you're gonna plug the bulbs right back in, line up your headlamp assembly, grab your 10mm bolts and screw them into place. Go ahead and grab your grill, slap it right back in, grab your 8 Phillips screws and start putting them in. Best thing to do is to put them all in halfway before tightening them all completely. Then you grab your turn signal lamp or corner lamp, hook up the bulb, and put those 3 screws right back in. That's it, you're done. If this video helped you at all, please do me a solid and hit the thumbs up. Appreciate it.